students. Welcome to Physics with Neena. Today we are going to start chapter Motion from class 9 Physics. This chapter is very important for both exams and numerical problems. So let's begin. What is motion? First, let's understand what is motion. An object is said to be in motion if its position changes with time with respect to a reference point. This means if an object keeps changing its place as time passes, we say it is in motion. Remember, time and position both are important in motion. This definition is important for your exams. Examples of motion. Now let's see some examples of motion. A moving car in motion because its position changes continuously. A flying bird is also in motion as it keeps changing its position in the air. A rotating fan is another example of motion. So motion can be straight, circular or rotational. So the next is rest. What is rest? Now, let's understand rest. If an object does not change its position with time, it is said to be at rest. For example, a book kept on table is at rest. A parked car is also at rest because it is not changing its position. Rest is opposite of motion, but both depend on reference point. So now next is reference point. What is reference point? Now comes a very important concept, reference point. Motion always depends on the reference point. For example, a person sitting inside a moving bus appears to be at rest for another passenger, but the same person is in motion for some standing outside the bus. Therefore, we say that motion is relative. This concept is often asked in exams. So now next is types of motion. There are four types of motion, main types of motion. Number one, rectilinear motion, circular motion, periodic motion, and rotational motion. Now let's understand each type one by one. So first is rectilinear motion. When an object moves in a straight line, as we can see in a diagram, it is called rectilinear motion. For example, a train moving on a straight track shows rectilinear motion. Car, Cars moving on a straight road are also examples of rectilinear motion. That means straight line motion is called rectilinear motion. Next is circular motion. When an object moves along a circular path, it is called circular motion. A very good example is the earth revolving around the sun. The path of motion is circular, so this is circular motion. Do not confuse circular motion with rotational motion. So next is periodic motion. When motion repeats itself after equal interval of time, it is called periodic motion. A pendulum is perfect example of periodic motion. It keeps repeating its motion again and again in equal time intervals. Periodic motions repeating motion. Periodic motion means repeating motion. So next is rotational motion. When an object rotates about its own axis, it is called rotational motion. For example, a spinning wheel or a sailing fan shows rotational motion. Here the object rotates around its own axis, not in a circular path. This is an important difference for exams between rotational and circular motion. So let's conclude. What we study in this video, we learned what is motion, what is rest, reference point, different types of motion. In the next video, we will study distance and displacement. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Physics with Neena. Thank you for watching.